In this video, we will demonstrate how to manage a knowledge store folder in PPM. The access rights required to manage a folder in Knowledge Store are Knowledge Store Access, Knowledge Store Administrate. Before we start with the Knowledge Store folder, create or locate a text document to use as a file to upload. Now under the Knowledge Store in PPM, a user can create or delete a folder, add a subfolder or document to a folder, and can edit folder permissions. Let's navigate to the Knowledge Store in PPM and explore the options available for managing folders. Hover over the Home menu and click on Knowledge Store under the Personal section. Click on the Action drop-down menu on the far right and select New Folder. This page displays the folder properties. Enter Organization Leave Policies under the folder name field. By default, the person who uploads the folder becomes the owner, and the name of the owner is displayed in read-only mode. If you select the checkbox for Allow Non-Participants to Access Folder attribute, then other users who don't have the above-mentioned rights can access the uploaded folder. Click on the Save and Return button. We can see the created folder under the Knowledge Store. Similar, a subfolder under Organization Leave Policies can be created by clicking on the folder name and selecting New Folder from the Actions drop-down menu. Now let's add a document to the newly created folder. For the Organizational Leave Policies folder, hover over the Actions drop-down menu. Select Add Document. Click on the Choose File button to select the document for uploading to the folder. Click on the Status drop-down and select the proper status for the document being added. If the document must be reviewed, select Submitted from the list of available values. At some later time, the document will be reviewed and either approved or rejected will be selected. Select Submitted from the list of available values. Click on the Category drop-down and select the proper value for the business function to which the document belongs. Values to be selected include Proposal, Planning, Development, Implementation, and Operations. Select Proposal from the list of available values. By default, Date Created field is populated with the current date. The user who uploads the document becomes the default owner. This field is automatically populated and is read-only mode. If you click on the Allow Participants radio button, then all the participants who have access at the folder level can view this document. If the selected participants radio box is selected, then only the specific persons or participants to whom we give access can view the documents. For this example, leave the default value selected. Set the Allow Non-Participants to Access document option if we want non-participants to view this document. Set the Enable Checkout option so resources with appropriate access can check out and edit the file. Set the Enable Versioning option. When someone updates the file, they create a new version rather than completely overriding the original file. Set the Notify Resources Group option so the resources or groups get a notification when a document is checked out or a new version of it is uploaded. Enter the appropriate data in the description field and the comments field as per requirements. Click on the Add button. Now for editing folder properties. Hover over the Actions menu for the new folder Organization Leave Policies and click Properties. The system will navigate to the Folder Properties tab where we can edit the folder name and change the name of the owner. Click on Save and Return. For editing the folder permissions, hover over the Actions menu for the folder Organization Leave Policies and click Permissions. It will show the list of resources or groups who have access to this folder. When you add resources to a folder, they are automatically grouped as participants with read and write access to this folder. The user who creates the folder is automatically given read, write, and delete access to the folder. You can change the permissions at any time. Note: Select Cascade Permissions to allow a resource to transfer the rights to any documents and subfolders in the current subfolder. Click on Save and Return. To delete a folder in the Knowledge Store, click on the folder you wish to delete. In this example, select Organization Leave Policies. Hover over the Actions menu and select Delete. An alert message will be displayed to confirm deletion. Click on Yes to delete the folder from Knowledge Store. To learn more, refer to the following topic: How to manage documents in Knowledge Store.